Traders, Anthony here. I'm just going to go through the trade signals I sent yesterday into VIP. So we'll go over to MT4 and we'll start from the top. This was one. I wanted a deeper pullback. We didn't get it. Those of you who jumped in up here, it's time to take profit. But this is the reason why I took this trade, is simply because we have a green bar and we're getting and we're receiving alerts. This here is an ideal entry where you see the green bar starting and we get a bullish signal preceded by a green dot and this divergence. That's your trade signal right there. I've marked these up. We'll just run through them quickly. The euro dollar was another idea. We'll just go down to the 15. This was a sell. That was the signal here, or that was the idea in VIP. Why did I take this trade? Red bar. Alerts firing through here on these pullbacks. Anyway, we got in around about there. I would say stop loss above the cloud here would be ideal. And this is generally a good time to take profit or close your trade where you see our green dots. So the next one was the Kiwi dollar. That was quite a nice trade. Again, we're going with these signals. Look at this. See, there's your bearish signal. We're in the red bar here. And what have we got? We've got the bearish signal. We've got a strong divergence before it. Entry, one here, and the other one you can enter a bit higher. Come up just under the dots. I'll always go in with a market and a pending. See, this is the signal here. There's your market entry and there's your sell limit. Actually, it might have been a little bit high. We may have missed it. 62,672. Yeah, I like to get a bit of a discount, and I set this one up fairly high. Okay, no worries. You didn't spike up into that. So we got to fill. We got to fill with our first entry here. That one was a 0.2%, and very nice trade. This down here, that's your signal to take profit or close right there. Jump on board with us, guys. Gain access to these indicators and look at all these opportunities in here. So the last one, I think, is it? This one, US oil. Entry was here. Signal. Okay, bearish cloud, bearish signal. Divergence back here. Then a bit of volatility. Stop run. But this was our entry point here. And, well, I mean, you could have taken partial profits at this point here. Either close or take partial. And or you may still be trailing this with your stop loss. But they're the trades we got involved with yesterday. Jump on board, guys. Join VIP from $19.95 a month. Do the math. Gain access to the indicators, tutorials, and our VIP signals. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.